we can create the warehouses as well. Let's say, okay, now there we can add the address where is how the warehouse is present, their postal code, their city, right, country. And if you have a link, you can add a link, but we don't have a link, so we are not going to add the link. Just we are gonna add the name of the warehouse, right? We're gonna add the address where the warehouse is present. Then we're gonna add the postal code, the city, phone number, fax, or status. If it's open, we're gonna add the open. If it's closed, we're gonna add the close. Okay. So Tashkent's warehouse, we're gonna add the create. Okay. Link name is Tashkent warehouse. Tashkent warehouse. Now we're gonna create now our warehouse is created. Okay, so first we are gonna see there are two warehouses, Tashkent main warehouse and warehouse, right? So what we can do now, this is the old warehouse, so we can delete that one warehouse. Okay, now we have only one. We click on that, you can see inventory movement. There is no inventory right now. Transfer stock, product. We're gonna add that product and number of unit 1000, and that is save. So this warehouse is created. You can see that. So once we create the warehouse, we can add the inventory movement. Let's say now we add that product, we add the 200 of stock, unit cost 14,000. Then we go to add, that's added there. Now once we add the 200, we can revert it back. How? Let's say we create that and action and reverse. If we add the entry by mistake, we can reverse the entry from there. Now after selection yes, now you can see we revert the entry.